In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the best RIA money transfer promo codes for huge savings in 2025. Whether you're a frequent user or just getting started, maximizing your transfer savings with RIA can make a significant impact on your financial transactions. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of these promo codes. First things first, we need to head over to the RIA Money Transfer website, open your preferred browser, and type in the search bar RIA Money Transfer, or go directly to their website if you know the URL. This online platform is designed to make sending money quick, easy, and cost effective, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with it if you haven't already. Once you're on the main page of RIA's website, you'll want to look for the navigation bar at the top. Here, you'll find several options, and we are particularly interested in the Company tab. This tab often contains valuable information about RIA's initiatives, services, and the promotions they're currently running. Within the Company tab, you're going to search for a section specifically dedicated to promotions. Generally, this is where all the exciting savings opportunities are listed. Promotions can vary from time to time, so checking back regularly can help you catch the latest deals and offers. After you found the promotion section, go ahead and click on it. This action should bring up a list or a page detailing all of the current promotional codes and offers available. Clicking directly through is essential, as this ensures you see the most accurate and up-to-date information available at the time. Now comes the fun part, choosing the promo that suits your needs best. RIA often provides various promotional options, which might include discounts on transfer fees, special rates, or offers for new users. Carefully read through these options and decide which promo offers the most benefits for you based on your transaction requirements. Before you complete the transaction using a promo code, it's always a good idea to double check the terms and conditions associated with it. Make sure you're entering the code correctly and that it applies to the type of transfer you want to make. Remember, some codes might be restricted to first-time customers or may require you to send money to specific countries. In summary, keeping an eye on RIA's promotions can provide fantastic savings opportunities. Regularly checking for these deals and using promo codes effectively is a smart way to reduce your transfer costs and get the most out of the service. Hopefully, this video has made it easy for you to navigate RIA's promotional landscape and take advantage of the best deals in 2025.